Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the base, the sport model, the 2.4 liter, not the V6, not the 2.0 turbo. This is the 2.4 liter. Customer states that the AC is not working. I verified it. The fan is blowing, but the system is only blowing hot air. I grabbed my gauges. I checked them. There was no freon in the system, no pressure at all, because I found a leak in the AC system. The leak is going to be this high pressure line. This is your high pressure line, and back there is going to be your low pressure. As you guys can see, the H is for high pressure. Back there, I already took it off. It's going to be an L, low pressure. This high pressure discharge line busted. If you guys can see down here, it's all wet. It's leaking, caused all the freon to escape out of the system. I have the new discharge line here, the high pressure. Remember guys, it's going to be the high pressure line. This is the part number. I got this at the local auto store, 66482. It comes with a new O-ring on each side, and I verified it. I haven't taken it out, but I verified it. It is the correct one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change this hose out. The next thing you want to do is recover the AC system. So I have my AC machine here. I have it hooked up to the car. This is the high pressure. This is the low pressure in the back. High pressure is always going to be the red one. Clip them in, tighten it down. Clip this in, tighten it down. Recover it. Turn on the machine. Recover it. In this case, the hose was leaking. There's no freon in the system. This is just for demonstration purpose. If you're doing something else, like changing the AC compressor or changing a Schrader valve in the back, or changing another line, say if it has pressure. But in this particular case, it does not have pressure, but I'm just showing you guys for demonstration purpose. So I'm gonna take these off like that, squeeze, pull. You know, these knobs right here, you have to turn left and right for the Schrader valves. There's a Schrader valve in here. This knob activates it. This is the low side. This high pressure hose is this one. It is held in by two 10mm bolts. There's going to be one right here on top. If you guys can see, this one, it's a little dark, I'm sorry. I already loosened it. I'm going to take it off and show you guys. Okay, the nut is off. You have a little pressure maybe in it. Nope, no pressure. Just pull up, lift up, pull out. And if you follow the line, you follow it down there, it's gonna be another 10mm bolt down there, a little nut. It's hidden. It's under this diaphragm right here, but it's way down there. Just follow it. You'll see it. I'll try to show you guys, but it's a little tough. Yeah, it's like behind there, but I already got it loose. It's gonna be that one right there. It's kind of dark right there. Then take off that nut, and this hose should just come out of the car, no problem. This is an easy repair. Let me set the phone down, and I'll pull it out. Take off that nut down there and take it out and show you guys. So I got the old hose out. This is the old one. It was leaking here because it's all wet back here. It's been leaking here for a while. Lost all the freon. That's why it's blowing hot air. And then this is the new one back here, the one with the red cap. You guys can see they're both identical, same shape. This one's just bent because it has to sit bent in the car. But once I get in there, I'm gonna have to bend it, wrap it to where it has to go. But yes, this is the new one. We're going back in. And all it takes is just these two 10mm bolts. One there on top. If you go on this side, this one's on the bottom. Same place, right there. And right there. I highly suggest to do the bottom one first. This is the bottom one. Connect this one first, and then work this one last. This is the top. I'm gonna set the camera down, and I'm gonna put the new hose in. You always wanna pre-lubricate these, the O-rings. All right, guys. So I have the new hose in already. This is the new hose. You guys can tell, nice and shiny. It's in. It is in. This is the new one. It's nice and shiny. It's tightened, the two 10mm. I got my AC machine hooked up, high pressure, low pressure. In order to hook these up, you got this clamp. You just squeeze. It locks in here, just like this. Just squeeze. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one hand. It should just go in like that. It should snap, and then turn the dial to open up the Schrader valve. There's a Schrader valve in here, and then just give it a tug. It won't come off. See, it's tight. Make sure your machine is on, like this one. My machine is on, as you guys can see, it's on. There's no pressure. You guys can see 0, 0. It's empty. Make sure your valves are open, open, open. Okay, and then make sure you are certified. I am certified. Right here, you guys can see, that's my certification number. I'm not gonna show you guys my name, but I am certified for 3 years now, almost 3 years now. This is a must-have, guys. You must have this, or else you will get fined. Must have. I recommend it. You can get it online. Take the test. I'm gonna set this down, but I just want to show you guys I am certified. That's why I bought this machine. And then this car takes right here R134A, which is the Freon type, and then that's the oil. Obviously that's the brand Hyundai, and it takes 600 grams of Freon, plus or minus 25 grams. So it could be 625 or 575, but I'm just gonna put 600 grams. My machine doesn't do grams. I used the internet and I converted grams to pounds. It came out to 1.3 pounds. So we're gonna go over here to the machine like this. We're gonna cycle it. And then units. It's gonna be 1.3 pounds. So we're gonna change the units. Right there. This car takes 1.3 pounds. I converted over from 600 grams to pounds. So 1.3. $1.32 pounds. Right there. And you charge it. Next, inject oil. On the high side, open, see, oil inject. Continue. Do not disturb. Okay, we're doing that. Okay, so the machine is done. You guys can see 1.32 pounds. Now we have to equalize the hoses. So we're going to start. It says disconnect the high side hose, open panel valves, and start AC on max. So you go inside, you start the car after you disconnect the high side, which is the red one, on max. So do that and then press continue. Once you press continue, it'll tell you to wait for the gauge to drop, the gauges. As you guys can see, there's a lot of pressure in there right now. But once you start the engine, run the car on AC, check that the AC is working, then you could disconnect your low side. Let's turn it around. Let's do this. So here's your high side. Like that. You go opposite to close the Schrader valve. So the Schrader valve is closed now. Right there, see, it's off. Start your car. And then once the gauges here drop below 40 PSI, then you could disconnect that hose. And then put your caps back on. This is the high side, the low side. The AC unit is on. The high pressure is hot. It is really hot. But the low pressure, cold to the touch. That's what I like. That's how you know the AC compressor is working. You see? Nice and cold. I can touch it. But this hot one, you cannot touch it. It'll burn you. That's how you know your AC is working good. The high pressure, hot. The low pressure, ice cold. Hope that helps, guys. Thanks, guys. Thank you for joining me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always, be safe.